Hey guys, this is Mason Weiss, and I got my package from Switchback. I'm going to be doing a review, not a review, but an unboxing video of Rayne Envy's 70mm 77A clear vicious grip and two sets of Venom barrel bushings. One set is 85A, and the other set is 90A. My mom told me to use the scissors. Ideally, I would be using a knife, but no, you just gotta go with what the mom says. This is a package from Switchback Longboards. I think I got a paper cut, sadly, on the cardboard. This is the fourth time I've ordered from them, and every time I was satisfied. So they're awesome. So you guys can see. There is one Venom package. These are the 85A barrels. I don't know if you can see that. Some shipping stuff. My Rayne Envies 77A and 70mm. We'll put those right there, and those on top. Oh, I did not get the red sticker, sadly. So this is my second yellow one. Oh, what? Okay, so they did mess up. These are supposed to be barrels. These are not supposed to be cones, so we'll have to figure something out with that. Cardboard, my clear vicious grip, and I got a magazine, which is awesome. So, grip tape, barrel, cone, not what I wanted, sticker, and my wheels. So that has been an unboxing video of my Switchback order. So thanks for watching, and have an awesome day. Keep it real, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. Switchback Long.